Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article by Electric. So basically, Rivian just leaked out some of the information regarding about their upcoming R2. And as you can see with the title right here, the Rivian R2 Electric SUV leaks. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, and the range is 330 miles of range. Doesn't the 330 miles look familiar? Well, it's the Tesla Model Y. So it seems like Rivian is going after, or the R2 is a direct competition with the Tesla Model Y. So here is what we know so far about the Rivian R2. So in about 2 days, they're gonna have they're gonna open up like a podcast where they're gonna live stream and let everybody know about the R2, right? Which is March 7th. So if any one of you guys want it, you can, sign up for it, and then you can watch the live streams about that one. But so far with the leak, we know that the price is starting at $47,000. And that is in the same ballpark as the Tesla Model Y, right? And even with the range too, 330 miles, right? So we're gonna go down and we're gonna see a little bit more. So this one right here, they're gonna be building it from the new factory in Georgia, and it will be start making it in 2026, so about 2 years. And 0 to 60 acceleration in 3 seconds. So I'm not sure how many versions that they're gonna have for the R2. Just like the Model Y, we have the rear wheel drive, and then we have like the long range, and then we have the performance, right? So, but so far it's starting. I don't know if the starting price at 47,000 and 330 miles of range, and 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, that's awesome. People would be all over this. And it's a 5 seats too. And the leaks also mentioned that the NACS charge port, though it also says that the R2 can charge at both the NACS and the CSS charging stations. So here is the dimensions of the R2. The length is 185.6 inch. The width is 75 inch with the mirrors 84.4 inch. The height 66.9 inches. And Rivian also mentioned the R2 front trunk, which sound like it will be substantial. See if there's anything more about this. So as far as the specs go, they look great. A starting price of $47,000 is impressive, though Rivian will need to make money off of them, and it has had issues doing that, which is much more expensive, which is the R1S. R1S, I think, is starting about $74, $75, and by the time you pay out the door, like $100,000. And yeah, the range is like 330 miles of range is really good, just like the Model Y long range, the one that I have, and it uses 82 kilowatt hours. And like here, even pretty much the same. So yeah, right now that's just the leak. So stay tuned, and when we find out more about the R2 in 2 days. All right. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.